some of you on Facebook may recognise this lemon here. For the more keen-eyed ones may notice that I haven't actually had the engine out for the last 10 months, so it's kind of long overdue removal. You may wonder why. It was kind of bad sort of error judgment. I got fed up of scraping all the gasket sealer off each gasket in the maintenance surfaces every time I took it apart prior when I had all the issues. So I decided just to use the paper gaskets in the cork with no sealer. In turn, that meant I just had a colander. So before MOT comes around, as a few bits to tidy up, I kind of want to get it, in better, more reliable condition, if that's possible. I don't want to push it too far, but we'll see kind of what happens. So I thought, I'll see how quick I can remove it. Got a few simple tools lined up. You don't need much to remove one of these things. It'd be a lot easier if someone didn't chuck any turbos on it or anything, you know. It's kind of lacking a bit of space, but that shouldn't be a problem because I've maybe done it once, twice, or 10 times before. So yeah, I thought I'll film a little time lapse and just show you this thing coming out. So I hope I'll see you at the end. About an hour and a half later and the engine's now out, so fairly straightforward. I didn't get interrupted so much, as you may have seen my time lapse. So if not obvious, yeah, do a bit of tidying up. It's far from mint, not that it's going to be yet anyway until I get to redo the whole car, but yeah, fairly simple. Your boost pipes and that to come off, radiator, spot bar, downpipes, prop and gearbox. I've definitely got an oil leak at the rear of the engine, as you can tell by the all the oil and the valves in there. So that could be fun. But yeah, I'm going to put off the stand a minute and have a good look over and see what's wrong with it. So the engine's on the stand. I've also bolted the Mazda RX-8 gearbox adapter up to the back of the engine there so that I can still turn the engine over. Nice little feature really, because what I want to do is a compression check. I know the engine was running fine, but there's no harm in getting some results just before I tear it apart, and then I might load a compression, I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I'll get that set up in a minute and then I'll be back. Just about to remove the plugs and I've stumbled across this one here. It's not really ideal. So a little oil leak here, okay, but down the plug hole it's just oil. Oh, that's pretty shit focus. Yeah, roll plug out. Crap. So to do the compression test, I've blocked the throttle open, removed the spark plugs, got a fairly consistent permanent supply there, and gone ahead and brought a new tester because my old one was knackered. So for this one here, typical sort of spark plug size, I've got these 40mm adapter and a tester. So I'll get this set up a minute and get a few results. So they're all very close, with exception to number 3, which was 190. But that was the cylinder that had the excess oil go in when the plug was removed. So I would say they're all pretty spot on, really. The maximum difference here is about between 170 on 3 of them and 180 on 6. So not too bad. Well, that wraps up this video. Perhaps you want to see me partially tear down a Capri engine and fix some of my previous cock-ups. Or maybe perhaps you want to see some more bits and bobs on the Capri itself. So there's quite a lot to go through on that, and there's obviously plenty of future work. It's a never-ending project. Or maybe even some of the others. Maybe golf build, or even the Project Sirocco it's currently undergoing. Either way, if you enjoyed the video, maybe perhaps drop a comment or give the page a like, or maybe even subscribe. And I'll see you again next time, if there is a next time.